34 tactics to stay busy cleaning after the holidays. This is what will keep you busy well into the new year. After Christmas, you need marketing tactics to kickstart clients and prospects coming back. Turn January and February into the best months of the entire year. I'm going to show you some tactics that I've used in my own cleaning company that many of my coaching clients over the last 12 years have used with great success. Some of them getting as much as a 5,000% return on their investment. So here we go. You've got this actual report below this video. Click on the report, get the report, but I wanted to make a video to show you some specifics as well. First and foremost, mail something in the mail to all of your past clients who have done business with you in the last 2 years. Ideally, I recommend a letter, but I also recommend a postcard. Ideally here, I even recommend a postcard in January and a letter in February, or vice versa, a letter in January, a postcard in February. Now, a letter is going to get a better response. I actually had a client who mailed some letters out. They only sent 100 out, and they got 6 jobs booked already by mailing some of those letters out. In years past, I've had clients mail out just 100 or 2, and again, to their best clients, and book thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of jobs. We have a special Times Are Tough letter specifically for that. And also we do have some postcards just wishing Happy New Year, tips about cleaning with some special offers. So yes, mail something in the mail. Email them as well. We're going to talk about that, but also mail something in the mail. If you haven't mailed reminder postcards to your clients who you haven't heard from in over a year, mail them something in the mail about it's time for cleaning again. Google ads. Google ads are great this time of year, because the big thing is Google ads are based on searches when people are actually perceiving the need for cleaning. That's when they're going to do the search. So your searches will be less in January and February, but the thing is you're going to be targeting specifically the people who are looking for cleaning. Carpet cleaning can be good, yes, but probably even more so this time of year. Hardwood cleaning, hardwood floor refinishing, tile cleaning, duct cleaning, area rug cleaning are probably even better services really to target in on this time of year. Posting to your Google My Business page, super important for ranking. Also posting to Facebook. You can connect with some clients and past clients and prospects that way too. Post things that are going on in your business, do a free giveaway, post videos of your cleaning services, killer specials. Tell more about your cleaning services. Tell more about what's going on in your business. So yes, do all of those things. Also, posting on Facebook can also lead you into doing a good Facebook pay-per-click campaign. Now, I will tell you a little bit of a caveat with this. The way I've seen Facebook is if you're higher priced, if you're more than average, Facebook ads tends to not work as well than if you're average or even below average priced. It does a little bit vary based on the city and even to the savviness of how you do your campaign. However, keep that in mind a little bit. And in a lot of cases, if you're average or above average, Google ads might be a better bet for you. Send an email newsletter out to all of your clients, wishing them Happy New Year, giving them these exact same specials that you're going to be mailing them. Connect with them via email. All of your clients will not connect with you via email. Keep that in mind. But the ones that will, do it. Also do them through text. You can't text your clients all the time, but once a year, a couple of times a year during a special time, yes, good time to text. Create a blog, post weekly tips. This can even help your SEO by posting to your blog if it's new, fresh content, new, fresh text. Also, put some of those SEO strategies in place that you've been thinking about but not doing yet because you have time maybe during this time of year. Do things to get ranked on Google by posting to your Twitter, LinkedIn, Nextdoor, Cura, Foursquare, all of the directories, checking out those directories, filling out more directory profiles. Also, get into your Google My Business page and double check that everything is correct in your Google My Business page. There's some things going on right now in Google My Business that Google creates all these crazy categories for your company that aren't true. You need to be checking that. The other thing too is when you get in and make posts to your page and when you get in and check things, it tends to help your ranking. Don't change a whole lot of things, like especially don't change your website or your address or things like that, but check to make sure the actual categories are correct. Also, get more reviews on Google and Facebook. One of the top ways to rank quickly on Google My Business is to get more reviews, and even really for Facebook, people do check that type of stuff out. Work on getting some reviews. There's a little tutorial there. Use other social media sites like Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube to get traffic. Post on there. Get traffic, post about cleaning, post things that are going on in your business, and just giving people general tips. Even if it's not people in your general area, get some traffic to your website. Make sure that your website is mobile friendly. This is a really big thing. I still see websites that don't have clickable phone numbers, that kind of look bad on a mobile device. Make sure that it looks really, really good. Write a press release and submit that. Something newsworthy. Even make something up, even if it's fake news. Post something that'll be able to be put out there that creates a link back to your website. Create a YouTube video. I'm still surprised at how many cleaning companies don't use this free resource. Go into YouTube and create a video once a week about your services, about you cleaning. Sometimes too, you'd be surprised at just the dirty, nasty stuff that we clean in this business. People like to watch videos about that. Do that and you can be seen as the expert in your area. At the end of every job, we used to do this in December, give them a clean cash certificate. You might even want to instead send this also, or in addition, send this to your past clients in the mail, just letting them know, hey, we appreciate your business, here's some clean cash. It's the same concept that Kohl's does, that my wife loves, that a lot of women love, that are probably your prospects and your clients. Let them know that, hey, if you use us between 30 and 60 days from now, you can use this clean cash. Every door direct mail, something that's huge still, even right now. We've got some special winter every door direct mail offers. Now keep in mind, don't get bogged down with what the offers are and what the gifts are, but give away probably your best offers of the year if you're going to be slow. Yes, go ahead and do that. Every door direct mail can be great for targeting in on the highest end and the best neighborhoods. Now's a good time to concentrate on commercial accounts. A lot of commercial accounts are redoing their finances or redoing their budget for this coming year. You want to be in there. Do some things right now for booking commercial jobs, for getting in front of commercial jobs. And it's usually through a series of sending letters and postcards and even emails and follow-ups. Through all of that, we've got tons of letter examples for that have done really, really well that we have in the coaching club. Send to realtors, interior designers, floor retailers. Connect with all those people right now, this time of year. Use this time as your opportunity season, because most of your competitors are just probably disappointed with their business and they're not doing anything because they're scared still. Don't let that be you. You need to move. You need to go out there and do stuff. Use educational brochures. Give those to realtors. Give those to your past clients about all your different services. Gift vouchers as well, perhaps to realtors and interior designers and people that can connect with you and give you good jobs. But put out 500 flyers on doorknobs. Go out and, if you need to, pound the pavement, right? Go into neighborhoods, park your van there, pound the pavement, put out flyers, doorknob hangers with the same type of messages that are in all of your other postcards and all of your other materials. If you do have a good local newspaper, run an advertorial in the area. Perhaps offer a free 60 or 90-day touch-up cleaning, and do a Google remarketing campaign. That's something that I've talked about for years, but set that up in your website. Now would be a good time to do that, to where people can see your ads even after they visit your website, and you can haunt them all over the internet. A couple other tactics that are not always talked about. Gift cards are a great thing to give realtors. They love gift cards. Sending your past clients themed postcards based on seasons. In this case, New Year, Valentine's Day is coming up in February. Plan all of that now. Let them know that you love them. Let them know that they can fall back in love with their carpet and rugs and their floors all over again. And at the end of the day, too, you can also do voicemail blasts to your past clients. Again, not something to be abused and used often, but you can do a ringless voicemail drop. We have a system that actually does that, to where you can send voicemail blasts to past clients and even prospects in particular neighborhoods. When all else fails, if you need to, knock on doors. Go ahead and do that. It's not below you if you need to get business coming in to stay in business. And again, sending those letters to past clients can be a really, really good follow-up. And again, when we do the letters to past clients, the best combination for that is to send the letter, a week later give them a voicemail blast or even a text message. Follow up with them. Make sure it's something really, really extra special. Maybe even a free gift, maybe the $50 gift card, that type of thing. Great things that you can do. Now, if you do water damage restoration, great time of year if it's going to be frozen to have a Google AdWords campaign set up and ready to go. You can pause it until it's ready. Have that ready to go. Create WordPress blogs, Facebook posts talking about the dangers of freezing pipes in your email newsletters. Also, send snail mail postcards and newsletters about the dangers of freezing pipes and how you're there to solve their problems. Now is a great time. We've got a great letter to mail to plumbers and insurance agents and adjusters about freezing pipes, right? That way you can go ahead and educate them. When you're the educator, you are the go-to person. At the same token, write a press release about all of those same type of issues with broken pipes, with pipes freezing and water damages happening. We can help you implementing all this stuff. We've got hundreds of different templates. We've got training for Google Ads, for Facebook Ads, for Google My Business, for SEO, for all of this stuff right now in the Ad Coaching Club. Now, at the end of the year, we've got over $1,800 worth of bonuses just right now. Some of these bonuses, if not many of them, are going to disappear after the new year starts. As well, the price on the Ad Club is going to be going up. Right now, we have a 1-year pay in full option. If you decide to do that, you can get the tax write-off the entire year. If not, we do also have a month-to-month option. Check it out, hitmanadvertising.com/ad coaching. If you have any questions, you can also call me 850-474-1110.